it just felt so smooth like butter. I tell you, this thing cuts smooth like Tennessee whiskey.
Looks like you're kicking some grass.
Oh yeah, I'm kicking it to the curb. This is unlike any other zero-turn I've operated. I feel like I'm part of the mower. When I did the zero-turn, I felt like I had control of every inch of it. Everything within the operator's control. You got the height adjustment real easy, you got a foot control. You got all your controls here. This seat is so cush. I forgot that I was on a mower for a moment. So I have some really huge properties. I got some customers within the neighborhood within close proximity. And this thing, as fast as it moves in transport mode, I can get to and from without even loading this thing on the trailer. That means productivity for me.